To change the adult chest skin, unzip the jacket to expose the chest. Starting at the shoulders, gently pull the skin off of the attachment posts, working your way down the chest, one side at a time. Once detached, turn the chest skin over to remove the pressure plate from the skin, taking care not to pull the black wiring harnesses. Remove the pressure plate by gently pulling up the plastic frame and detaching it from the 4 attachment posts. Discard the old chest skin and pick up the new one along with a pair of needle nose pliers, which can be helpful in attaching the pressure plate. Set the pliers aside and position the new chest skin under the pressure plate with the attachment posts facing up. Then position the pressure plate and frame over the posts. Guide the attachment posts at the top of the chest into the appropriate hole of the pressure plate and pull it through with your fingers. Do the same for the other attachment post for the upper chest. The lower attachment posts can be more difficult to pull through, and this is where the pliers can be helpful. Guide the lower attachment post through the lower hole and then use the needle nose pliers to pull it through. Do the same for the remaining attachment post. Now turn the chest skin over, making sure the inflatable lungs are seated properly and that the pressure plate makes contact with the plunger. Once the skin is seated, start at the bottom of the manikin and gently pull the mounting hole on the chest skin over the attachment post. Work your way up from the bottom to the shoulders. Zip up the jacket and you are done.